If you are, you've come to the right place. I'm going to do number 1 for you or with you, whichever way you want to think of it, so we can work through this together. Remember that your goal is always to get the variable alone. I always say get rid of everything around the variable clump. I call that a clump, but it's really a term. So you want to get rid of all the other stuff around the term before you divide. So what are we trying to get rid of here? We're trying to get rid of the plus 6. And so the opposite, or the undoing of plus 6, is minus 6. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides, leaving us with 24 on the right side, and this will cross out 4h on the left. At that point, you need to look at the 4 and h, and remember that when a coefficient is right next to a variable, it means multiply. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So since the h is being multiplied by 4, we are going to divide by 4. That will leave us with h equals 6, which is the solution.